Okay. Here on Smile, we're huge on brand Jamaica. We're talking to Booker about that earlier. Founder of Tiekis Trinkets, Tiki Guy, is here with a fashionable stop on this here Tuesday morning. Morning to you. Welcome to Smile. How are you doing?
I'm good. Thanks.
How did you get into this business, lady? You do everything. You do bracelets, you do clothes, you do souvenirs, you do how you started, when you started.
Well, you know, I founded Tiekis Trinkets around 2 years ago, and it just started from being passionate and creative of designing items. So, you know, I supply bathing suits, gift items, exotic bags, souvenirs, you name it.
What's your background?
Well, I have a degree in hospitality and tourism management, so I'm a major in tourism management, and then I just decided that let's start, you know, my own business. So
yeah, but you kind of got to be creative to jump into this field. So you don't have no training in.
Well, a lot of persons think that I went to Edna, but no, I didn't.
No.
I'm just creative. I have a creative background. I did art in high school, so I get that from my family members. It's just a passion of just coming out and just making stuff. I like that.
So tell me what the 2 years have been like for you.
Well, 2 years, it's been good so far. I mean, it's still a new business, so it's in the climbing stage.
Yeah.
But there's room for improvement, and I like it so far.
Okay, well, you're going to show us some of the stuff, and then we'll tell you guys where you're able to get some of Tiekis trinkets. So first, we're going to ask Simone. Good girl, Simone. Simone, come on out. Let's see what you're wearing from Tiekis Trinkets.
So here we have Simone modeling the hibiscus romper, and it's accentuated with her earrings, matching earrings and necklaces, as well as the bracelet that I made. So it's made from horse or donkey eye seeds. You can see it.
Donkey eye
seeds.
Yes. Okay, wait, no, come back, Simone. Let me see earrings. I didn't see earrings. Okay.
Has a Jamaican feel to it.
Yeah. So when you're sourcing your fabric and stuff, you look for stuff that's Jamaica themed as well?
Well, it's a mixture. It's a mixture, so I supply for locals and tourists. Anything that is creative and the energy, the color, it's there, popping.
That's for you?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Let's see. You don't leave out the men, which is good.
No.
So Andrew, come out. Let's see what you're wearing. All right. Talk to me now.
Andrew is modeling the dashiki, and usually have dashikis without hoodies, but this dashiki has a hoodie, and it's complemented with a seashell necklace, bag made from crocus, as well as bracelets. So it's a mixture. You can wear it with the hoodie or without the hoodie.
I've never seen a dashiki. This is very cool.
Dashiki with a hoodie.
So you make this?
No, I actually don't make it, but you know, it's there.
Okay, you don't make the dashiki?
No.
What about the bag?
No.
Okay,
I made the bracelets,
the
bracelets and necklaces, but everything else is bought and sold.
I see.
Yes.
I see. So it's all available, but the hand bracelets you make specifically.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate it. Very nice. I would wear that dashiki actually. I've been trying to find dashikas and I can't find any.
They come in several colors as well.
Okay.
So.
Excellent. Shauna Kay is our next model.
Yeah, so
I love this
dress. Shauna Kay is in the Rasta-inspired tube dress, and it's complemented with a bamboo handbag. So these bamboo handbags come in several colors, and then she has matching earrings to go with it. And again, the bracelet that I made, it's complemented with Job's tear seeds, as well as donkey/horse eye seeds. Okay. So it's a mixture of rustic, rootsy vibration going on.
Yeah. Very nice.
Thank you.
So where is your stuff available? Come on out, Simone and Andrew, and stand with Shauna.
Well, you may find me on Instagram or Facebook. Facebook, it's Tiekis Trinkets. Instagram, it's Tiekis_Trinkets, and you may call me at 847-5865.
Okay, we're having a look there on screen at some of the stuff that you've done.
Those are the bamboo handbags in several colors.
Very nice. What seems to be the hottest item? What's the hottest trinket right now?
Well, I can say it's a mixture. I can't say anything is hottest. It's a mixture. It depends on what you like. So I have everything that will complement. And those are actually sarongs that you can wear to the beach. So you tie them in different ways you wish.
What about folks who come in and say, Tiki, I like X, but can you put a little twist on it? Do you custom make anything for a new?
Well, that's debating too. Well, it can be arranged. I don't, you know, anything is possible. Just give me a call and we can work on it.
Okay. What's the future of the business? You're doing the beads now. You're carrying the sarongs and the dresses and the bags and so on.
Well, I hope to broaden my horizon. So I have a few items in the pipeline, but it takes time. So with the capital, I hope to grow.
So 2 years into business.
Yes.
No regrets.
Oh, no. I enjoy it. You know, doing your own stuff. It's really wonderful.
All right. So you can find Tiekis Trinkets at the Norman Manley International Airport.
Yes, I have through Things Jamaica JBDC, I supply them with my bracelets and necklaces, so they're an outlet, as well as Classic Closet on South Avenue.
Okay.
They have some of my pieces, as well as decorative scarves and dresses, you name it.
Okay, and on social media again?
Facebook, Tiekis Trinkets, Instagram, Tiekis_Trinkets.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All the very best to you. Thank you, Simone. Thank you, Shauna K. Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate it. This is founder of Tiekis Trinkets, Tiki Guy, here with us this morning on Smile Jamaica. We'll take a break and then we'll come back with more after this.